Hello, friends. Do you think the SOS coin, also known as OpenDAO, is officially dead? Is investing in it right now just a way to lose your hard-earned money? Or is this current silence actually the calm before a massive storm? In today's video, we are going to uncover the truth about SOS coin that has stayed hidden until now. If you are holding SOS or thinking about buying the dip, these next few minutes are absolutely critical for you. Let's start with a deep dive into the technical analysis. Looking at the current price action, SOS is trading at approximately 0.0000000333117, showing a solid 6% increase in the last 24 hours. This jump might look small, but it is significant considering the overall market volatility we are seeing right now. Looking at the 24-hour chart, SOS touched a low of 0.000000305, where the bull stepped in, took control, and pushed the price back up. In technical terms, we call this a support confirmation. It proves that buyers are active at these lower levels and are fighting to prevent a further crash. Now, let's go deeper into the indicators that guide the market. First, let's look at the RSI, or Relative Strength Index. Currently, the RSI is sitting around the 52 mark. Remember, when the RSI is above 50, it indicates that a slight bullish momentum is building, yet it hasn't reached the overbought zone yet. This is a very healthy sign because it means SOS still has plenty of room to run toward the upside. If buying pressure continues to mount, the RSI could climb towards 70, which would result in a massive price spike. In addition to that, if we examine the MACD indicator, we can see a positive crossover in the making. The histogram is shifting from red to green territory. Whenever this happens, it serves as a signal that selling pressure is exhausting and a new buying cycle is about to begin. Regarding moving averages, the gap between the 20-day and 50-day moving averages is narrowing. If the price successfully breaks and holds above the 50-day moving average, our next price target could be much higher than current levels. Looking at the Bollinger Bands, they are starting to squeeze. Usually, a squeeze is followed by a violent move, either up or down. However, based on the current price action, the probability of an upward breakout is looking to be around 60 to 70%. Now, let's talk about the latest global news shaking the crypto industry. In the last 24 hours, there has been significant discussion from the SEC and CFTC regarding new regulatory frameworks. These rules are particularly important for decentralized community projects like OpenDAO. Furthermore, Bitcoin's price has stabilized on the global stage, which is breathing new life back into altcoins and tokens like SOS. We are also seeing global headlines about the integration of AI and Web3. Since SOS is a community-driven project, this type of macro news has a profound impact on its long-term utility and sentiment. One point of caution is the trading volume. In the last 24 hours, volume has dropped by about 32%. This is a bit concerning because the price is moving up while the volume is moving down, suggesting the move might lack strong conviction unless a whale enters the market soon. However, the number of holders is steadily rising, now reaching approximately 189,650. This shows that the community still trusts the project and is choosing to hold for the long term. Currently, the SOS chart is attempting to form an ascending triangle. If the price breaks through the major resistance at 0.000003350, we could see a massive breakout taking the price directly toward the 0.000000000 target. But if the volume fails to support this move, the price might fall back to the 0.000000300 support level. You need to keep a very close eye on these two specific levels. Before we end, a very important note. The crypto market is extremely volatile, and investing here involves high risk. This video is for educational purposes only and is meant to provide market information. I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research before making any investment and only invest what you can afford to lose. If you enjoyed this video and want me to provide daily detailed updates on SOS and other coins, make sure to like this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments at what price you bought SOS and what your target is. See you in the next video. Goodbye.